amoeba. First, they rear parasites and happiness. Dust mite. The small insects like to live in dust. Tardigrade. A tiny egg-like microanimal. Ant. The ant is so small. A highly ant family. The ant is so small, highly ant family. Fly. The wingsters can never fly. These are most common kind of word. They can grow. They can grow 6 inches long. Rat. The rat also love cheese and scare off the cat. Persian cat. These adorable white cats are very loyal. These cats are not only from Iran, that's the name. Dog. A man's best friend. They are carnivores and eat meat. And eat meat. Human. That's us. We are the smartest animal ever existed. Bear. The bear loves to eat honey and live in the forest. African lion. They have a very strong bite, just 60 times in the megalodon's bite. Great white shark. The large alive predator shark. They can grow to 20 feet, but the largest specimen was 22 feet. The Asian elephant. The second largest land animal. They be seconds to the African elephant. The largest land animal. They very big, 25 feet long. Giraffe. The tallest animal as the terrestrial animal. The anaconda. This is a land animal. It's a sea creature. These creatures are for monstrosity. Look under the sea when they hunt, so they don't get let as land animals. Orca. These are dolphins, not whales. They were thought to be whales, and I call it orca, not killer whale, because then it's confusing. Whale shark. Don't let the name fool. These are sharks, not whales. It's called the whale shark. The whale shark, the big ass whale. T-Rex. These are prehistoric animals. These are species of dinosaur. Megalodon. This extinct shark was a apex predator. They can grow to 60 feet. Colossal squid. They are shorter than giant squid, but have to have more mass. Giant squid. These are longer creatures has been ballerine sperm whales. Sperm whale. They are the biggest krakens of the sea. Fifth whale. The second largest animal on Earth. Blue whale. The largest animal on Earth. Lion's mane jellyfish. The largest jellyfish. Man of war. The jellyfish. The jellyfish. The largest jellyfish on the